Chapter 2. The New Neighbor. Emma finishes her work at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. She closes the bookstore with her manager. "See you tomorrow, Emma," her manager says. "See you tomorrow," Emma replies with a smile. She walks home slowly. The streets are busy. People are going home after work. Some are talking on the phone. Some are waiting for the bus. Some are shopping. Emma enjoys watching people. Every person has a story. 20 minutes later, Emma arrives at her apartment building. She walks up the stairs. When she reaches the second floor, she hears a loud sound. Bang! Someone drops a box. Emma looks toward the apartment next door. The door is open. Many boxes are still inside. Sophie is standing in the living room. She looks tired. She is trying to move a heavy box. Emma walks closer. "Hi, Sophie." Sophie turns around. "Oh, hello, Emma. Do you need some help?" Sophie smiles. "Yes, please, this box is very heavy." Emma puts her bag on the floor. Together, they lift the box. 1, 2, 3. They carry it into the bedroom. "Thank you so much," Sophie says. "You're welcome." "It was easy," Sophie laughs. "It wasn't easy for me." Both women laugh together. Emma looks around the apartment. There are books on the floor, there are pictures on the table, there are plants near the window. "You have many books," Emma says. "I love reading." "So do I." "Really?" "Yes. I work in a bookstore." Sophie looks surprised. "That's amazing. I also love books." "What kind of books do you like?" Emma thinks for a moment. "I like mystery books." "I like travel books," Sophie replies. "I want to visit many countries one day." Emma smiles. "Me too." They continue talking for a few minutes. Emma feels comfortable. Sophie is friendly. She is kind. She is easy to talk to. Suddenly, Sophie's stomach makes a funny sound. She laughs. "I'm hungry." Emma laughs too. "I think it's dinner time. I haven't cooked yet. I don't even know where my kitchen things are." Emma has an idea. "Would you like me to help you tomorrow?" Sophie's eyes become bright. "Really?" "Of course. We can go shopping together. We can buy food. And maybe have lunch." "That sounds wonderful. Thank you." "It's my pleasure." The two women smile. Emma picks up her bag. "I should go home now. See you tomorrow." "See you tomorrow, Emma." Emma goes into her apartment. She closes the door. She feels happy. Today, she met someone new. Maybe this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship. Listening. Practice. Listen again. Who is the new neighbor? Her name is Sophie. What does Emma do? She works in a bookstore. Does Sophie like reading? Yes, she does. Are the women friendly? Yes, they are kind to each other. Vocabulary. Heavy. Heavy means not easy to lift. Example, the box is heavy. Friendly. Friendly means kind and nice. Example, Sophie is friendly. Hungry. Hungry means you want to eat. Example, I am hungry. Kitchen. The kitchen is the room where you cook. Example, she is cooking in the kitchen. Plant a plant is something that grows. Example, there is a green plant near the window. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. Hello, do you need some help? Hello, do you need some help? Hello, do you need some help? Yes, please. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Yes, please. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Yes, please. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I love reading. Let's go shopping tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I love reading. Let's go shopping tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I love reading. Let's go shopping tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Excellent. Now let's continue our story. Chapter 3. First Conversation. The next morning, Emma wakes up at 7 o'clock again. She feels excited. Today she's going shopping with Sophie after work. She finishes her breakfast. She goes to the bookstore. All day she thinks about her new friend. At 5 o'clock, Emma leaves work. When she arrives home, Sophie is waiting outside the building. She's wearing a yellow sweater. She waves her hand. Hi, Emma. Hi, Sophie. Are you ready? Yes, let's go. The supermarket is only 10 minutes away. As they walk together, they begin talking. So, Sophie, Emma asks, where are you from? I'm from Manchester. Oh, that's a beautiful city. Yes, but London has many opportunities. What do you do? I'm a graphic designer. I work from home. That's interesting. What about you? I'm a bookseller. I help customers find books. I think that's a wonderful job. Emma smiles. Thank you. They continue walking and talking. Little by little, they begin to know each other better. And this is only the beginning